So I'm just finished mowing. I'm going to go over and see the whole crop. This yoke is really performing at the moment. The crops, they were paddocks like I was cutting, and nothing was really heavy, so I was getting between 13 and 15 kilometers an hour, which is fair going. Fairly fond of these tractors. Definitely was nothing to touch them in their time anyway. I mean, I think these yokes came out in 00 or 02, and the spec that was on them was unbelievable for that time. If I could change one thing, it would be that front axle. I would take that off it and fire it over a ditch. It just has way too many moving parts. But if I had a preference on front axles, I'd say there's not a whole pile wrong with that TLS setup on the John Deere's. So that's what I'd be putting under it. That would be their biggest failure, is that front axle. But anyway, we flew through them few jobs. We'll go over and see what's going on here. I've 2 more jobs booked in there for the end of the week already, so I'd imagine there'll be a few more on. Other than that, there's a whole pile going on. Father done a few bits of reseeding, nothing too serious, and the ground is getting kind of wet. I actually think there's some fellas have cattle in now at the moment, but that's just the way it goes. Shoving into August now, it's very hard to rely on the weather you're going to get. So anyway, I will stick up the drone when I'm over here. I don't know what will happen with that, because I know there's another lad that's going to have a drone up, Ballymac Boy on YouTube, if you want to check him out. He has some fairly decent videos, but I give him a ring and make sure he hasn't got his drone up, because it's easy enough crash one of them besides crashing one into another one. So we'll try and avoid that. But anyway, I'm on my way over to the field and I will talk to you later.